So in this Canadian investing tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy futures contracts here in Canada using Wealthsimple. So once Wealthsimple is opened up, go to the bottom and search, press on the magnifying glass or the search icon. Then once you're here, I want you to tap it one more time in the search bar and then go to where it says all categories. Once we're in all categories right here, I want you guys to scroll down to where it says futures contracts right here and then select that. Once you're here, you can select Canadian traded ones or US traded ones. In this case, I'll go ahead and select Canadian traded ones, but it doesn't really matter. Now, once you're here, you can scroll down and view a bunch of different contracts right here. So for this example, if I wanted to do I don't know, what's a good example? How about crude oil? We'll go ahead and select this one right here. Once that is done, go to the bottom right and press continue. Then on this page right here, you got to go ahead and fill in some more questions here so you can tell me, about your experience, etc. And then you can go to the bottom and press on next and basically follow the steps to set up the ability for you to trade futures. And once that is good to go, you can buy futures contracts. So that's how you guys can buy futures contracts here in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.